It is your boy Noah Son of the Barber, back with another video. Today's video I'm about to show you, it's a different type of video. I don't do any talking, mainly because it's a mid fade, and in my last video I did the mid fade. I use the same exact steps, so I don't want to do like two videos in a row like the same, so I switched this one up a little bit. Let me know if you guys like this style better than the other one, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. YouTube, what is up, guys? It is your boy Noah Son of the Barber, back with another video. Today I just wrapped up a cut. Now I gotta pack up my stuff because I gotta do a house call. I'm gonna do a tutorial on that one, so I'm gonna pack all my stuff up and I'll see you guys there. So I'm about to pull up right now, just right here. It was like 5-10 minutes. It was like 10 minutes away, but my dude usually gets like a mid fade drop. It's like a drop mid fade type thing. It comes out clean. His hairline comes out extra crispy. I'm about to show you this tutorial, but I'll see you guys when I get in there.
Rocky.